Growing up, my family and I would do a mass cleaning before the new year. And so I kept this tradition with my own family, and today I'm going to share with you a little of how we clean part of our house. So we started out in the kitchen. Hubby was doing the dishes and I was kind of wiping things down. He's moving the fridge for me here, and I'm getting ready to vacuum behind the fridge. After I do that, I will begin to organize all of the magnets on the fridge and remove things that don't need to be there and just tidy up overall to have everything looking nice and neat. So I then tackled the inside of the fridge. The first thing I do is pardon my son crawling on the floor there, but the first thing I do is I remove the items in the fridge and parts, and then I wipe down or wash the drawers and just basically clean up the fridge piece by piece. I then place the drawers back onto the fridge, and then I will wipe down all of the items that were in that section and put them back. And this is also a great time to throw away anything that was just sitting in the fridge that we haven't been using, so I did that as well. So next we decided to tackle the living area, and we are taking down our Christmas tree. Now normally we keep the Christmas tree up until the new year, but this tree this year for some reason was shedding a bit more than usual. We get our trees from Lowe's and we're typically happy with them, but this tree was shedding its pine needles like crazy. So since we were cleaning up, we decided to just get rid of the tree and just freshen and tidy everything up for the new year. hubby is sweeping up all of the pine needles, and they weren't on the floor like that, they were on top of the tree skirt. And as soon as we removed the tree skirt and just were rustling the tree around, more pine needles fell. So I'm really glad that we just got rid of the tree this year a little bit earlier. So here I'm just kind of cleaning up our TV unit. Really, there was nothing to clean. I just had to wipe any excess dust off. And I'm just kind of organizing the top of the unit with the items that we want on there. So here I'm just vacuuming under the rug. We like to lift the rugs and vacuum underneath them. And the next area we decided to tackle was the dining area. I'm over here just cleaning up the high chairs, and hubby's helping me clean up Elan's high chair. We basically just wipe them down, disinfect them, and then put them to the side while we work on the rest of the area. And we're just sweeping away all the major debris, and then I'm lifting the rug and vacuuming anything that's left over. And then we worked our way back into the kitchen. Hubby moved the stove and he's vacuuming behind the stove. There was not really much behind it, but I like to do this every once in a while. And then I'm over here wiping down the placemats. We're putting the rug back. I'm gonna vacuum the rug that goes under the dining table, and then I will Lysol it to So here I am just putting the poinsettias back on the table, and I'm keeping the poinsettias a little while longer because our place is really neutral and I really like that pop of red. It's really nice and vibrant. So the next thing I did was I wiped down the countertops and we cleared out the sink. And so I just kind of disinfected the countertops with some solution. And then I'm just really tidying everything up so that we can be done with the kitchen. So I cannot stand a dirty stovetop. It just really prevents me from cooking. So hubby helps me keep the stovetop clean and shiny. And then he also cleans inside of the oven for me. We like to do this periodically as well, just to keep the oven in good shape. And then here I am wiping down the cabinets and the front of the stove, the top and bottom cabinets. I like to do this periodically as well because they get water spots and spills and they just get sticky sometimes. So I like to make sure that everything is always nice and clean and nothing is sticky, because that's one of my pet peeves, is a sticky kitchen. So here I am just cleaning out the microwave and just really wiping and disinfecting everything and putting it back and getting the kitchen together. So what I didn't get on camera was us mopping the entire area and also Lysoling the couch and the love seat and the rug in the living area. But thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and you want to see more of my cleaning routines. I'll be happy to film and share more. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!